How to enable two-step verification in Google or Gmail account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Gmail application. Then tap on your profile icon from your top right. Now, go to manage your Google account. After that, go to security. Scroll down and then go to two-step verification. Simply verify your identity using your lock screen password or your fingerprint. And simply tap on turn on two-step verification. Enter your phone number in which you want to add add your two-step verification. You will get a code and it will be added. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.